Friends, preventive maintenance in any machine shop is of utmost importance. If the preventive maintenance is done properly, most of the breakdowns can be avoided. Now, if there are multiple machines and you want to do preventive maintenance, maybe say a particular machine on a particular day, then it may be sometimes difficult to remember the date of preventive maintenance. Say for example, if you have few machines, say machine number 1 has preventive maintenance due on say 1st of August, the second machine preventive maintenance is due on say 4th of August or something like that. So CIMCO system gives you the facility to store these dates and particular machine, and it will generate the SMS alarm or the SMS alert or the email alert, and on that particular day for that particular machine the maintenance person will get this alert. Now how this is done in CIMCO system, let us see.